Now that you've added all of your information about yourself to your PowerPoint, you're going to add some flair to the presentation by using transitions to build excitement as well as add closure to the previous slides. Open your About Me PowerPoint from your OneDrive. When you go to your OneDrive, you should see the All About Me PowerPoint. Just click on it to open it, or you can go to your OneDrive and click on the PowerPoint and open it in your browser. You should be automatically on slide number 1. We are going to be adding some transitions by clicking on the Transitions tab. Transitions are a way to add animation or movement between slides when giving a presentation. On the Transitions ribbon, you have a variety of different transitions to choose from. We are going to add the Dissolve transition by clicking on the More drop-down arrow, finding the Dissolve transition, and clicking on it. Notice when the transition has been added to the presentation, a little star appears to the left of the slide in the navigation pane, showing that a transition has been added to that slide. Also notice that none of the other slides in the navigation pane have a star, showing that a transition was added to them. Click on slide number 2, click the More drop-down arrow again, then find the Glitter transition. Click on it. Notice the length of the glitter transition lasts 3.9 seconds. Now we're going to play the slideshow to see what the transitions look like. Click the View tab, click From Beginning. In order to advance from slide to slide, you can click your mouse or press the space bar. When giving a presentation, you do not want it to take a really long time to go from slide to slide. Notice how slowly that moves. If it does take a long time, then that slows the momentum of your presentation down. We're going to change the duration of the transitions that we added. Click on the Transitions tab. Click on slide number 2. Notice you have the glitter transition selected. The duration is 3.9 seconds. This may not seem like a long time in reality, but when giving a presentation, if you're standing there with nothing to say, waiting on a slide to transition, it will take much too long and it will slow down your presentation. Change the duration to 1 second. Then be sure to click Apply to All. This will make sure that the transition is applied to all of your slides. Notice how they all have the star now, as well as the timing or duration of the transition applying to all of your PowerPoint slides. Go ahead and view your slideshow again, then click From Beginning. Let your transitions play. See if that flows much more smoothly. It's quick, but still interesting. When you come to the end of your presentation, escape or click to exit and submit your PowerPoint on Canvas.